Have you ever thought about how easy it is to make money with a car? I mean, it just sits there most of the time, right? Well, what if I told you that your car could be a source of passive income? That's right, you can actually turn your car into a cash machine with a few simple strategies. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to make money with your car. Be sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more wealth-building strategies. Let's talk about renting out your car. It's like Airbnb, but for cars. Platforms like Turo and Getaround make it incredibly easy to list your car and start earning. Think about it. When you're not using your car, it's just sitting there depreciating in value. Why not put it to work and generate some income? Here's how it works. You create a listing on Turo or Getaround, set your rental price, and specify your car's availability. Potential renters can then browse through listings and book your car for a set period. Turo and Getaround handle the payment processing, insurance, and even roadside assistance, making the entire process seamless and hassle-free. Now you might be thinking, what about the risk of damage? Well, both Turo and Getaround provide comprehensive insurance coverage for your car while it's being rented. This means that you're protected in case of any accidents or damage. Plus, you get to set your own rental price, so you can ensure that you're earning a good return on your investment. The earning potential from renting out your car can be significant, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination or a city with high demand for rental cars. Imagine earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month just by letting someone else drive your car. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income and offset the costs of car ownership. Of course, it's essential to do your research and choose a reputable platform like Turo or Getaround. Read reviews, compare fees, and understand the terms and conditions before listing your car. With a little bit of effort, you can turn your car into a money-making machine and start earning passive income today. So, if you're looking for a way to make your car work for you, consider renting it out. It's a simple, convenient, and potentially lucrative way to generate passive income and put your car to good use. Now let's explore another interesting way to make money with your car advertising. Have you ever noticed cars driving around with ads plastered on their sides or rear windows? Well, those drivers are getting paid to turn their cars into moving billboards. Companies are always looking for creative ways to reach their target audience, and car advertising offers a unique and cost-effective solution. By wrapping your car with an advertisement or placing smaller ads on your windows, you can earn passive income while you drive. There are several companies that specialize in car advertising, connecting drivers with businesses looking to advertise their products or services. These companies typically handle the design, printing, and installation of the ads, making the process simple for drivers. The amount you can earn from car advertising varies depending on factors like the size and placement of the ads, the duration of the campaign, and the company you partner with. Some companies offer a flat monthly fee while others pay based on the number of miles you drive. Before you jump into car advertising, it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions of the agreement. Make sure you're comfortable with the type of ads being displayed on your car and the potential impact on your car's appearance. Also, be aware of any restrictions on your driving habits or mileage during the campaign. Car advertising can be a great way to earn passive income, especially if you have a long commute or frequently drive around town. It's a relatively low-effort way to monetize your car and turn it into a source of extra cash. Ride-sharing has revolutionized the transportation industry, offering a convenient and affordable alternative to traditional taxis. But did you know that it also presents a fantastic opportunity to earn money with your car? By becoming a ride-share driver with companies like Uber or Lyft, you can turn your car into a source of income. The concept is simple. You use your own car to pick up passengers and transport them to their destination, earning money for each ride you complete. The beauty of ride-sharing is its flexibility. You can set your own hours, choose when you want to drive, and work around your existing schedule. It's a great way to earn extra cash in your free time or even make it a full-time gig. To become a rideshare driver, you'll need to meet certain requirements such as having a valid driver's license, a clean driving record, and a car that meets the company's standards. You'll also need to undergo a background check and complete a brief training program. Once you're approved, you can start accepting ride requests through the Uber or Lyft app. The app shows you the passenger's location, destination, and estimated fare, allowing you to decide which rides you want to accept. You'll earn a percentage of each fare, with the company taking a commission. The earning potential for rideshare drivers can be quite lucrative, especially during peak hours or in busy urban areas. Many drivers earn a substantial income by driving consistently and providing excellent customer service. Plus, you get to meet new people, explore your city, and enjoy the freedom of being your own boss. Of course, there are some challenges associated with ride-sharing, such as dealing with traffic, difficult passengers, and wear and tear on your vehicle. However, for many, the flexibility, earning potential, and entrepreneurial aspect of ride-sharing make it a worthwhile endeavor. The rise of e-commerce and on-demand services has created a booming market for delivery services, offering yet another way to make money with your car. Whether it's delivering food, groceries, packages, or other goods, there are countless opportunities to earn extra cash by becoming a delivery driver. Companies like DoorDash, Grubhub, Instacart, and Amazon Flex connect drivers with customers who need items delivered. You simply sign up with the platform, choose your delivery area, and start accepting orders through the app. The process is straightforward. You receive an order notification, pick up the items from the designated location, and deliver them to the customer's doorstep. The app provides you with directions, estimated delivery time, and any special instructions. You'll earn a fee for each delivery you complete, with the company taking a commission. Delivery services offer incredible flexibility, allowing you to set your own hours and choose the types of deliveries you want to handle. You can work around your existing schedule, pick up deliveries during your lunch break, or even make it a full-time gig. The earning potential for delivery drivers can be quite attractive, especially during peak hours or in areas with high demand for delivery services. By driving efficiently, completing deliveries quickly, and providing excellent customer service, you can maximize your earnings. Just like with ride-sharing, there are some challenges associated with delivery driving, such as navigating traffic, dealing with parking limitations, and handling fragile items. However, the ease of entry, flexible hours, and earning potential make delivery services an appealing option for many. Beyond the popular options of renting out your car, car advertising, ride-sharing, and delivery services, there's a whole world of specialized services you can offer with your vehicle. These services cater to specific needs and can be incredibly profitable if you have the right equipment and expertise. Let's start with moving services. If you own a truck, van, or SUV with ample cargo space, you can offer moving services to people who need help transporting furniture, appliances, or other large items. You can advertise your services online through local classifieds or by word of mouth. Another specialized service you can offer is hauling. If you have a pickup truck or a trailer hitch, you can haul away junk, debris, or yard waste for people who don't have the means to transport it themselves. This can be a lucrative side hustle, especially during spring cleaning season or after major storms. For those with a passion for cars and a knack for detailing, offering mobile car detailing services can be a rewarding business. You can travel to your clients' locations and provide professional car washing, waxing, and interior cleaning services. This is a premium service that can command high prices, especially if you use high-quality products and pay attention to detail. If you have a specific skill set or interest, you can even offer niche services like pet transportation, airport shuttle services, or guided tours. The key is to identify a need in your community and tailor your services to meet that demand. Remember, when offering specialized services, it's crucial to have the right equipment, insurance, and licenses. You'll also need to market your services effectively to attract clients and build a solid reputation. By thinking outside the box and leveraging your car's capabilities, you can tap into a world of specialized services and turn your vehicle into a profitable asset. So, there you have it. 5 proven ways to turn your car into a cash machine. Whether you choose to rent it out, wrap it in ads, become a rideshare driver, deliver goods, or offer specialized services, the possibilities are endless. Remember, your car is a valuable asset that can generate income if you put it to work. If you're serious about building wealth and achieving financial freedom, be sure to check out the other videos on this channel. We cover a wide range of topics, from investing and real estate to entrepreneurship and personal finance. Start taking action today. Choose one of these strategies, do your research, and take the first step towards turning your car into a source of income. The road to financial success is paved with initiative and ingenuity, so get out there and start earning.